how to fix Instagram request in less than 1 minute. So if you have a problem with the request on your Instagram, this video is gonna be helpful for you. So all what you have to do, guys, is very simple. Just keep watching until the very end. So all what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager and then go to the apps again right here and go to Instagram, and then all what you have to do is just click on the storage right here, click on clear data and clear cache, and now go back, click here on force stop, and then go to the power usage details and make sure that this option here, it's called power consumption alert, is enabled, and then go to the app launch option, make sure to enable it. Now turn off your phone and turn it on again, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.